Hingaldoy ti pagmaragultala po at parangalan ding aduang bayani higekatamong lahing panga katoliko. Nung atintamo pong Jose Rizal, ang Andres Bonifacio, at atangalan higekatamong dayang Pilipino, atintamo mo namang San Pedro, ang pong San Pablo, higekatamong dayang panga Kristiyano.
San Pedro dangdang ka, San Pablo linyong ka, bendisyoni pabal.
Ang yang nano pang klaseng unos, nano pang klaseng bagyong datang, nung abe-abe tamo, kapit bisig, pikalakalay, kalpadaring yamut, naning redwood tree, then we can stand still, steadily. It is a symbol of stability. And that is our church, Nepo.
Sa panalangin niyo kami, ika'y patuloy.
Kaluglang kong kapatid, tandaan niyo, patseng ating yang tiwala kaya katamay nga kong Ginoo. No matter how we fail to acknowledge that in ourselves, etamo sana milalapaw pag-asa. Just always say our yes when God calls us for a mission. Uling balo tamo in Diyos at inyang akakita potential imbalang metong which we sometimes we do not recognize. Yakin inulog ikikatamong kasalpantayanan tingapong Ginoo. We do not only look inward, but we also look outward. And this will lead us to a perfect mission that God wants us to become part of. Uli ini, kaya mo kaya katamong mission. Yun ay mission niya naman ni nga pong Ginoo.